Hello, my name is DeShane Barnes, and today I will be discussing how the adoption of artificial intelligence, also known as AI, can be detrimental at times in the workplace. I will also be covering ways on how we can counteract these problems and make AI a useful tool that will come with benefits rather than costs. The quick adoption of AI in the workplace brings many opportunities but also creates complex ethical issues, particularly in culturally diverse settings. The main risks include algorithmic bias, data privacy concerns shaped by different cultural norms, and potential decrease in human oversight. This report outlines a strategic framework that uses key principles including accountability, fairness, transparency, and cultural quotient to tackle these problems and foster an inclusive AI environment. The recommendations highlight the importance of strong governance, comprehensive cross-cultural training, and the incorporation of ethical metrics throughout the AI lifecycle to guarantee responsible and future-ready AI deployment. In order to tackle these issues, we recommend taking three coordinated steps that address operational, cultural, and ethical aspects to effectively manage the rollout of ethical AI. For the operational recommendation, we suggest forming a cross-functional AI ethics and governance board. This effort would involve creating a permanent AI governance board that features a variety of representatives from IT, HR, legal, DEI officers, and staff from various global locations. This board's role is to develop and enforce a global AI usage policy and code of conduct that complies with local laws and reflects the organization's values. Moreover, this board will need to conduct regular independent audits by external parties for all high-stakes AI systems, like recruitment and performance management, to evaluate bias and ensure adherence to standards. In the end, this board will put in place clear accountability measures to ensure that human judgment and oversight are preserved for important decisions. To improve our cultural recommendation, we are going to set up a culturally fluent AI literacy program. This program will include mandatory training and skill enhancement that is tailored to the culture of employees from developers to end users. The goal of this initiative is to educate employees about how AI works, the rise of bias, and the importance of critically evaluating AI outcomes. Furthermore, it should incorporate cultural intelligence to take into account various cultural perspectives on data privacy, workplace monitoring, and communication styles. In the end, this program needs to create clear and accessible ways for employees to voice their concerns, question AI decisions, and provide feedback in safe, non-punitive environments. The ethical recommendation includes adding ethical metrics into the AI development lifecycle and ESG reporting. We will move beyond traditional financial metrics to include specific ethical and social performance indicators. To do this, we will develop structured measurement guidelines and track metrics such as AI modal fairness scores across different demographic groups, the number of AI-related bias reports, and employee AI literacy levels. Additionally, we will make these metrics public in the company's annual ESG report to demonstrate our commitment to responsible AI and build trust with stakeholders. When it comes to justification, we should look at metrics and risk analysis. Conducting bias audits and having cross-functional oversight can minimize the significant risk tied to legal issues, regulatory fines like those from GDPR violations, and damage to reputation that can arise from biased AI outcomes. A prime example of dangers of unchecked bias in the failure of Amazon's recruiting tool. Keeping an eye on fairness metrics such as equal opportunity scores in AI allows for continuous improvement and demonstrates due diligence. Feedback systems from employees provide crucial insights into user experiences that technical metrics might miss. Proactive governance prepares the organization to quickly adapt to evolving global AI regulations and standards, including NIST AI RMF and UNESCO recommendations. These recommendations encourage a culture of responsible innovation. By integrating diversity and inclusion into the initial design of AI, referred to as inclusive design, the organization ensures that AI systems are robust, trustworthy, and effective across different markets and employee groups. An AI literate workforce is more adaptable, empowered, and less likely to resist new technologies, which allows the company to fully leverage the benefits of AI in a safe manner. Thank you.